scientific concept that you're passionate about. Well, I would love nothing more than to do that, but sadly the thing that I'm most passionate about, you don't yet understand. See, there's a lot of scientific disciplines where, like, their one defining feature, they still don't understand it at all. Like, physics is the study of energy, but ask a physicist what energy is, and they won't be able to tell you. They'll give you some cop-out answer like the ability to do work, but that's not what energy is. It's just a property of energy. And what I'm interested in is life. See, biology is the study of life, but I don't know what life is. I can give you a whole lot of things about life, from homeostasis to transfer of energy to reproduction to adaptation. These are all things that life does. And I can look at an organism and go, that is definitely alive, and a rock is definitely not alive. And we definitely know that 3.5 billion years ago, a sack of phospholipids went from a sack of phospholipids to life. But we don't know what life is. We're literally just sacks of chemicals. But for some reason, we are different from the other chemicals that make up everything else. We are just performing chemical reactions. Chemical reactions aren't sentient. Why do we try so hard to be alive and to reproduce? It doesn't make sense. If I die right now, chemical reactions will continue to occur. It'll just be decomposition reactions instead of the normal reactions of life and homeostasis. But why? I believe that the way to best understand something is by looking at its building blocks and zooming in really close and looking at the actual chemical structure and seeing how that influences the macroscopic. And the thing is with life is we understand a lot of the microscopic and we understand a lot of the macroscopic, but in between it gets lost in translation. I can tell you all about how a cell works, and I can tell you all about how the brain works. I can tell you that the frontal lobe is the place of cognition. I can tell you that neurons fire, and that's how the messages are relayed, but I don't know how it all fits together to make me think. And I don't know why I want to stay alive, but I know that I do. I don't think these will be answered in our lifetime. But if I can spend my life getting closer to an answer, then I've done my job. Thank you.